You've seen tools like Grok and Kling AI taking over, but they all have one thing in common. They are expensive. If you're a beginner with $0 for subscriptions, stop worrying. Today, I'm showing you a powerful AI playground built directly into an app you already use every single day, YouTube. No premium fees, just pure creativity. Most creators don't even know this exists yet. While others are paying $30 a month for AI video generators, YouTube has quietly launched its own AI suite that lets you create videos, animate photos, and even generate music for free. This is the ultimate shift for creators on a budget. You can use it to create YouTube shorts that can actually get views and make money. Now, let's dive into the video. Open your YouTube app and hit that plus icon. Look at the top for the colorful star. That's your gateway. Once you're in the AI playground, you'll see options for photo to video and even music. Wait, if you don't know, let me tell you now. This is the future of the YouTube platform, and by knowing this and taking this seriously, you are getting ahead of a trend. Let's click Create a Video. I'm going to keep the prompt simple, but remember, you can use ChatGPT or Claude to get more detailed results. Let's hit Generate, and look at that. A high-quality video ready to edit and upload without ever leaving the app. Now wait, I found this because I spend every day looking for ways to help you win without spending a dime. If you appreciate these free deep dives, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It's the best way to support the work I do for this community. You can edit and upload this straight to your channel right now. The AI shift is here, and you don't need a credit card to be part of it. Comment help if you run into any issues. I'm here to resolve your problems because you are the reason this channel exists. See you in the next video, and stay blessed.